Hello friends, I am Rohith PVR, a second year medical student at Madurai Medical College, and this is how my study routine usually looks like. I quickly arrange my bed for a great start. And I guess my table looks pretty solid now, at least that's what I believe. And as the clock hits 5:30, I begin my study. So it is 5:30 in the morning now. I am supposed to wake up earlier, but I ended up sleeping a lot. So now I actually have an exam tomorrow, immunology, internal assessment. Yeah, it is online, but if I'm writing it properly, it is all going to help me only. So I thought, let us just study as much as I can for it. As a matter of fact, I had already prepared the Anki cards for it. So I simply have to revise the Anki cards once, and then I have to go through the textbook one more time. So let's see how it goes. As you study, don't forget to continuously drink water, because while studying we tend to forget that we actually exist. So definitely don't forget that. These are my old Anki cards that I have made once upon a time. I also have a complete playlist dedicated to Anki, so make sure you check it out. For people who don't know what Anki is this amazing flashcards app which basically integrates the two best study techniques, that is active recall and spaced repetition, together. So that is exactly what I'm doing early in this morning. There is a lot of Anki cards, so I need a banana to help me along the way. Leave a like if you also feel like helping me out. And I make videos like this and something related to academics all the time. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to not miss anything, and also click the bell icon along with it to not miss any updates. And as I go out, I can see this beautiful sun rising. But I'm not going to lie, usually I don't go out. But as a matter of fact, I am shooting this video, and everyone who is doing a study vlog will usually go out and show the sun. I am also doing the same. I bashed through some marrow MCQs only to have my room filled with tears of failure. Now the time is 7:15. I had done a pretty decent amount of studying till now. I have completed like 30-40 Anki cards, and then I went and did some marrow MCQs. Because in my previous video I have told that I'm going to start practicing marrow MCQs, so I have started that. Today I got 85%. So okay, I'm somewhat happy with that. So let's see what happens next. To clean up my tears of failure, I immediately rush to the bathroom to have a quick shower, and then I go downstairs to have a quick breakfast. And once I come back, I check out this YouTube Studio app. And once I'm done with YouTube Studio, I check out my personal favorite YouTubers.
Productivity actually mean to me, and the main insight that I've realized is that productivity.
And then the bashing begins. You can definitely see that the Anki cards are draining me a lot, but I'm not going to stop until I'm done with it. A gentle reminder to continuously drink water as you study. And as a matter of fact, I'm not going to lie, I am actually drained now. So now I'm going to switch to pathology and make some Anki cards for one of my favorite topic, that is WBC disorders. So let's see how it goes. You know, these WBCs are really amazing. Like, it's like we have a separate army. There was this trending thing on Tamil Nadu years ago, and that was called OVA Army. So, and as a matter of fact, we all have an army within us that is fighting deadly pathogens. If not for this army, we definitely won't be alive. So this is something we can actually be grateful for. So studying them is in fact really fun. How they process different antigens, how this very army turns against us, and which is exactly what I'm studying in this topic of WBC disorders. And currently I'm reading multiple myeloma, which is definitely something that we have all been hearing for ages. So it's finally 11:40 and I have studied pretty decently. I'm not going to say that today was like extremely productive, but I had actually studied a lot of stuffs. So I have completed some parts of WBC disorders, and I also studied some immunology. So now it is my break time. I'm going to have every sort of fun today. One episode of What If will be released today. So it's going to be fun today.
Space. Reality. It's more.
So now the time is 3 o'clock, and for the last 2.5 hours I have been having complete fun. I watched this episode in What If. It was absolutely amazing. You should definitely check it out. And I was watching some random clips on YouTube. I had my lunch also. So now I should be studying. It is 3 o'clock, right? So I should be studying now. But the thing is, I don't exactly feel like studying. So there is this amazing productivity hack. It goes like for the 5-second rule and the 2-minute rule. The 5-second rule basically asks you to count up to 5, go, start the thing that you want to start. That's it. Because for most of us, doing the thing like studying isn't actually a problem. Starting to study is the actual problem. So to fix it, this 5-second rule is an absolute marvel. And the same goes to 2-minute rule also. Like you will force yourself to study for just 2 minutes. Like tell yourself that you're not going to study for more than 2 minutes. 2 minutes is the maximum you're going to study. So because of this, you can like hack your brain and cheat as if you're going to study only for 2 minutes. So your brain will also say okay. But then you will end up studying for hours. So this is the strategy that I have been using for quite some time, and it has actually worked. 80% of the time it has worked. So let's see how it goes now. This being the complete sum of all the pages that I have to read. And I motivate myself by looking at these great martyrs who have dedicated their lives completely for you. And it is around 4 o'clock. And I actually feel really hungry, so I have my usual evening snack, that is a wheat bread along with peanut butter and jam. This might look narcissistic, but however, understanding the mistakes I made in my previous video will help me bring better content for you guys every single time. It's 6 o'clock now, so I'll go and work out. I have been studying pretty decently today. But however, if you want to add a b-roll of me working out here, then I'll definitely be thrown out of my house. So please understand. So now the time is 9:15. Once I was done with my workout, I was just chatting with my friends, and then it was the dinner time. I went downstairs and had my dinner with my parents, and then I had a small talk with my parents as well. And usually my evenings will be this productive downtime. I'll usually do things that are not academics. For example, currently I was editing this previous YouTube video. Sometimes I might read a book, or sometimes I'll be working on my new newsletter that I have been publishing every Saturday. So I hope this video gave you some insights on probably how I study, and probably add some of the things that I told in your routine as well. And also let me know in the comments down below what is your study routine, so that I can also be benefited from your comments. To find more such videos, check out this playlist. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.